In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to manage your Hostinger account. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're able to share account management responsibilities with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger login page and type in your email address and password. Once you've entered your details accurately, simply click on Login. It's crucial to make sure that your login credentials are secure and unique to protect your account from unauthorized access. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Hostinger browser. Here you'll see your account icon. Click on it to open up a drop-down menu. This menu provides a variety of account-related options, but for our purpose today, your focus should be on the option labeled Account Sharing. Once you've clicked on Account Sharing, you're taken to a page specifically designed to manage who has access to your account. On this page, look for the button that says Grant Access and go ahead and click it. You'll notice that this button stands out to guide you in the right direction. A new prompt or window will appear. You'll need to click on Grant Access once again. This process might seem repetitive, but it's to ensure that you're consciously giving someone else access to your account settings. Now it's time to type in the email address of the person you wish to grant access to. Be sure to double check you've entered the email correctly to avoid giving access to the wrong individual. This step is crucial, as the email address you enter here will receive the access invitation. The next step involves selecting permission roles. This is where you decide what level of access the invited person will have. Different roles can allow varied types of management capabilities on your account. Make sure to choose the role that best fits the responsibilities you want them to have. Once you've set the permission roles, it's time to manage services. Within this section, you'll find the option to select which specific services the person will be able to manage. Click on Search or select Service to choose. It's flexible, so you can grant access to multiple areas or keep it restricted to just a few, depending on your needs. To finalize everything, click on the Grant Access button once more. After doing this, an access email is sent to the email address you entered. This email will contain all the necessary instructions for the new user to accept the access and start managing the necessary parts of your account. That's it. Now you know how to give access to manage your Hostinger account. Following these steps ensures that help is only a few clicks away, allowing you to collaborate efficiently and securely. Have a great day managing your online presence.